Ayan, magandang araw. Ayan, magkasama uli kami ng aking buddy. Arito kami sa kanyang farm. Bali, rumenta siya ng farm. Yung lugar na ito lugar ng mga farm dito sa Kuwait. Markila siya. So half of 5,000 square meter. Square meter, 5,000. So kalahati ng 5,000 ay sa kanya. Tapos yung kalahati sa kakaibigan niya. Naghati sila. And susubukan na namin na we try to test the awning. Oh, see, my boss is very happy to test the awning. That's why we bring this camper band. Ayan, binubuksan ng bossing ko yung talagang nagdala na. Oh, bagong bili pa. How much you buy this one?
What? I don't remember. I bought it. Like
this is old, but you just keep.
You're the first user.
Oh, wait,
I bought it for you.
Wait, I see it. So
Comfy, huh?
totally, I'm the first who sit here.
Yep, you are.
Yeah. And so maybe when we finish or before we finish our project, we will stay here for overnight.
Yeah, we will stay overnight.
Yeah.
When the weather gets better.
Yeah, magtataglamig na eh. And okay, I will continue my video while you opening the awning.
All right.
And ito, maganda itong awning nito. How many degrees?
270.
270 degrees. Kaya halos lahat ng ano yun lang problema rito, yan, malikabok. Oh, our adhesive is loose already.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get new lights. I already got new lights.
We can test these lights overnight. But let's try to install all the electricals, so also the solar.
The plan is we're gonna get this done this season, since we'll be doing two things at the same time. Actually three. We're gonna be cooking.
Yeah.
We're gonna be camping.
Okay.
And we're gonna be fixing this.
Yeah.
Out in the outdoors.
So exciting. And mukhang matutupad na yung aming plano. Tutupad na yung plano namin mag-camping, pero rito sa farm. Kasi wala pa siyang bahay rito magtatayo pa siya ng bahay. Simpleng bahay lang, hindi yung talagang fully concrete na bahay. Ayan. Very nice. Ay, napiknot yung mga adhesive ng aming kinabit na ilaw. Matagal kasi natambay ito. See, I think we have to do first this part.
I'll do brackets
to reinforce that part.
Exactly. But look at the shade.
Yeah, very nice.
Perfect.
nagdala kami ng konting. Did you bring a stove?
Actually, no.
Okay.
That's why I brought sandwiches instead.
Yeah. The next time we plan a little bit.
Yeah, this is just a tour.
And yeah, just this is only what you called it. Primary visit.
Exactly. Exactly.
Imagine we have a grill here and sitting together with this and singing a little bit slow music.
And I got 2 speakers, by the way.
Oh, you
for the back here.
Yeah. That's the
got them. Yeah, I got them
design.
from Nasser's yacht. He didn't want them, so and there's a bee. Woohoo! But yeah, awesome.
How much rent for this?
Just my half or total?
Total.
Total 300 KD.
See, 300 KD a
So
month.
I'm just paying 150, and my friend's paying 150. But obviously, like these things here, we decided after we tested it out that we're just gonna go ahead and replace them.
It loose.
With better lights.
Or we can buy plastic that can clamp here.
No. I actually bought longer ones.
No, I mean because see the adhesive is loose.
Yeah. We'll put the newer ones.
Because
it'd be better. And they're longer too, because this is only each one is a color, so it doesn't give that much light. Versus if we buy one strong, long, one, and then we cut, and then it should be better. But so far so good.
Yeah. Ayan ang tsura niya pagka nakabukas na. Ayan at mamaya video ko mamaya. Next time magdadalhin ko na yung aking mga video mga stand mga. Ayun lang at kami papalamig muna. Mamaya mag-video ulit ako. And tiklop namin yung awning. Malakas ang hangin, masisira yung bracket. Kaya tiniklop muna namin. At titingnan namin yung electric source dito sa sa kabila yung layo. Ayun lang at tinignan lang namin itong inarkila ng aking busing na farm. Dito sa kabila may nag-aalaga ng gansa. Mga 80 pero tingin ko gansa yung niya ano ba sa English yung geese ba yung tawag ron. Ayan at ito yung lugar na ito ito puro farm rito, farm dito sa Kuwait, lugar ng mga farm, maraming farm. Ay sa nadaanan namin maraming tatanim. Ayan lang at magandang may nagpupuntang aso rito. May nagpupuntang aso. Mga galang aso. Malalaki pa naman ang aso rito. Ayan lang at magandang araw.